Khalil Ahmed. The concept of 1 rupee surgery is to cater to a large number of poor and needy handicapped patients who otherwise do not have any money to go to any hospital. We are reaching out to them through a campaign, and hopefully this awareness of that the surgery has been conducted just for a rupee one will bring more and more people out of their houses to identify themselves that they are disabled and that they would require surgery. So this is the idea of Rupee One campaign that we are going to almost about 13 different locations in Hyderabad throughout the year, where we hope that we would find something like about more than 600, 700 patients for such surgeries, which will be done at this hospital totally free of cost. The patient only pays 1 rupee. We will find donors and philanthropists who will come forward to support this surgical program. The doctors in this hospital give their time free, and this is a specialty hospital, a super specialty hospital for doing reconstructive surgery. There is no age limit. What we try and do is work hopefully on younger people, because they have a large life ahead of them, and if they can be brought back to mobility, that they can work by themselves, they can walk by themselves, they have a certain amount of self-respect. So younger people are the most ideal candidates for the surgeries, but yes, we have no bar, or patients of all ages can come. Abhi, right now we have about 3 full-time doctors, which is headed by Dr. Swain himself. He is devoting full time here. As the patient population grows, we are going to have more and more doctors coming in. They're all going to be super specialist people in plastic and reconstructive surgery.